lever up?
No.
It's just driving around.
Look, if we can drive around, he wants to drive around. He likes to drive around. Okay, now pick Sandy up.
Okay.
Just wait.
Can I turn?
Just wait, Isa. Don't do anything.
It's staying on this thing because of the sunshine.
I'm getting the BTS behind the scenes of how we get the video and the photos recorded. It's not as easy as it looks. We have to go different angles. We have to go like this. We have to have a child who doesn't listen and has to hear something many times. We have to
Okay.
hear.
Now let Thomas go.
And then this guy?
Just wait here.
Okay. Must I pull the lever up?
No.
It's just driving around.
Look, if we can drive around, he wants to drive around. He likes to drive around.
As you can see, Isa's not playing with it as yet. He's been given instructions. Our photographer is taking his many photos.
And smile, Isa.
Photographer gives Isa instructions. Isa does some forced laughing. The train goes round and round the tracks all by itself.
Okay. The next one, you're going to stop it.
Got it stuck.
Okay. Now bring it slowly down. Slowly. Just wait, Slowly.
Down.
Okay, now put it on. Okay, now stop Thomas there on the top. On the top.
Oh,
You go there and then you switch off Thomas. Okay,
now
now
drop.
drop her.
Drop. Okay, this is good. Okay, put him back on.
Just wait. Let her be dropped.
You got a picture of him laughing while he's dropping?
No.
So you have
Okay,
to get a picture
Go
of
back
him
again. Do
because
the
you need
exact
to
same thing.
focus on him playing.
Do
and
the exact
laughing.
same thing. Put her back on. Let it go around. And then when Thomas gets there, then you stop. And then I want to see you laughing when you drop her down.
That is our instructions.
Wait.
Okay, so go. Put Thomas back on. Leave it.
Let
Let
it
it
go.
go. And you need to stop it there on top.
Stop it on top.
You need to stop it on top, Isa.
See what we mean? Okay, stop.
Okay, now stop. Okay, now look here.
Yeah.
I didn't see you laughing. Look at the camera when you're laughing. Isa, put the thing back.
Not this camera, that camera.
Okay, now drop it and laugh at me. Okay.
Okay.
I think we got enough. We'll go through the wheel and we'll see. that's all that for today, guys.
Thank you, dear photographer, videographer, instructor, and everything. I hope you're happy with your results. And now this is not the end of it. He still has to go through all of it and edit it and find the best pictures and then come up with a caption and post it on all the social medias that you see it on. And that's not
Instagram,
it.
Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube at iloveza.com, hashtag ilovezA, heart South African flag, hashtag after Plaatjes grind, and visit our website www.iloveza.com. Nabihah did a behind the scenes right now with the Galaxy Z Flip 3,
And
Samsung Galaxy,
Osmo.
and the DJI Osmo Mobile 3.
And
And we love
today. Thank you for your time.
Look here.
Okay, look at it.
I copied. I copied.
Exactly. Oh, okay, that's nice. Are you happy with your work?
Let it go.